Side determination. Shh. Side determination of patella. Apex faces downwards. Apex faces downwards. Base faces above. Base faces above. Apex faces downwards. Base faces above. Next, articular surface. Articular surface faces posteriorly. Articular surface faces posteriorly. Articular surface faces posteriorly. Okay. So see here the articular surface faces posteriorly. Next, apex. Apex faces downwards. Base faces above. Okay. Next, anterior surface. Anterior surface. There is the presence of anterior surface. There is the presence of lines. Lines. Anterior surface. There is the presence of lines. Okay. So these are side determination. Next inco point. Next inco point. అదే చెప్తున్నా. So next point. Posterior articular surface consists of two areas. More lateral area. More lateral area and less medial area. Less medial area. Okay. So more lateral area, less medial area. Whenever we kept this bone on a table, okay, lateral area is touches to the ground, not medial area. Medial area lo chudandi manam పెట్టలేం ఇట్లా పడిపోతుంది కనిపిస్తుందా. ఓన్లీ lateral area touches the ground. Find a point. Lateral area touches the ground. Lateral area. So medial area they doesn't touch the ground. Medial area they doesn't touch the ground. So ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి రైట్ సైడ్ దా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ దా. టూ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇది చూడండి. ఈ టూలో ఏది రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎట్టిది సో మోర్ lateral area. So more lateral area inside ఉంది lateral side. Here more lateral area lateral side. So this one is the right one and this one is the left. ఇట్లా పెడితే రాంగ్ కదా. Apex faces above means wrong. Apex always faces down. That's the correct. Then base faces above. Okay. More lateral area, less medial area. This one is the right one and this one is the left one. Are you getting? Yes. The side determination points. Next. Surfaces and borders. Parts and parts of the patella. Parts of the patella. Patella consists of apex, base, medial border and lateral border, apex, base, medial border and lateral border, anterior surface and posterior surface. First, apex. In the apex, there is attachment of ligamentum patellae. Next, come to the base. Base directed above. Basis divides into three areas. Anterior area. Basis divides into three areas. Number one, anterior area. And number two, intermediate area. And posterior area. First, in the anterior area, there is an insertion of rectus femoris. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది ఇది? Rectus femoris originates from where? Anterior inferior iliac spine. Correct. Anterior inferior iliac spine, straight head. Then reflected head arises from where? Above the scapulum, below the inferior gluteal line. Okay. So it runs downwards, finally inserted into the anterior part of the base of the patella. Okay. Next, intermediate area. The intermediate area, medial side, there is an insertion of there is an insertion of vastus medialis muscle. Next, intermediate area, lateral part. There is an insertion of vastus lateralis muscle. Next, posterior part of the base. There is an insertion of vastus intermedius. Okay. Next, apex completed. Base completed. Apex item, base item. Okay. Next, medial border. Upper part of the medial border. There is an insertion of vastus medialis. Okay. Next, lateral border. So border ki inకొక పాయింట్ రాయండి. Medial border separates the anterior surface and posterior surface. Medial border separates the anterior surface and posterior surface. Next, lateral border. Lateral border separates the same anterior and posterior surface. Lateral border separates the anterior and posterior surface. Next, upper part of the lateral border. Upper part of the lateral border. There is the insertion of vastus lateralis. Insertion of vastus lateralis. Okay. Next, anterior surface. Anterior surface. It is subcutaneous surface. It is subcutaneous surface. In the surface there is a presence of vertical lines. There is a presence of vertical lines. Next, come to the posterior surface. Posterior surface. Posterior surface is the articular surface. Posterior surface is the articular surface. Consists of two parts. More lateral part. More lateral part. And less medial part. Okay, so the posterior part. Related with the related with the knee joint. A relation, anterior relation. It is anterior relation to the knee joint. Okay, Patella also completed. So next class to continue. Right.